The red macaw, or scarlet macaw, is one of the most striking birds in the world with its bright red plumage dotted with yellow, blue, and green on its wings. They are known for their intelligence and high social skills. Scarlet macaws can live up to 50 years or more in the wild and even longer in captivity with good care. They have a strong beak, which is used to crack nuts and hard seeds, and zygodactyl feet for a good grip. They are great flyers and can cover long distances in the rainforests of Central and South America. Where they live, scarlet macaws are often found in small flocks and have strong pair bonds.